Hi, it's Matt from Vapeboss here, and I'm just here today to tell you about how to set up and use the quit smoking package that we sell. Alright, so first of all, we'll run through all of the hardware that you have in the package. Okay, first up, you've got your Ego V version 3 battery, 1200 milliamps, variable voltage and wattage, and it's got a nice little OLED screen on it. It's a good battery, good first variable voltage battery as well. Okay, next you have the Kanger Protank 3. It's a dual coil unit, very good piece of hardware. It's very set and forget. You fill it up, vape away, and you're good to go. Next, you got your spare coil heads for the Protank. You get 5 in this box and 2 with the Protank itself. So you've got seven in total, and they should last you a while. And lastly, you've got your juice. This is a new one from us called Vapeboss Cola. Very tasty. Alright, so let's unbox it. Open your box and you'll see you've got your battery and USB charge cord. I'm not going to unbox the charge cord. It's very straightforward, mini USB. You can plug it into a computer, an iPhone charger, Android charger, pretty much anything with a USB port, and it will charge your battery. Alright, so we'll just take the battery out of the box. And that's it there. Alright, so that's where your atomizer threads onto there. That's your firing button. You press that to heat the coil up and make the vapor. And down here you've got your screen, and your plus and minus buttons control your voltage. On the bottom is your mini USB port. That's where you plug your cable into, and that's where you charge it. Because it's on the bottom, it's a pass-through, you can use it and charge it at the same time, which is handy if you're in the car or your battery's flat and you want to have a vape. Alright, so next up, got the Protank. So just slide it out there, and you'll see that's it there. So that's your airflow control ring, 2 coils, and your tank. So what we'll do is we'll just take this plastic sleeve off. Alright, and first of all we'll grab the airflow control ring. That screws onto your battery, so I'll show you how that goes now. So you grab your battery, grab your ring, and just screw it on like so. Now you can see the broad end is at the top. That's how it's meant to look. Alright, so next we'll grab the tank, and I'll show you how it disassembles for cleaning. To clean it, pull your drip tip out, unscrew your base, pop that aside. Then what you do is 2 metal bits. You can see, you won't be able to see in the video, but it's actually threaded. So what you do is just unscrew it. Well, unscrew one metal piece while holding the other one. And there you go. Glass just pops off like that. There's a rubber seal in each metal bit. You don't want to lose them. To clean it, warm water, and then let it air dry. Once it's dry, put it back together. You're good to go. So I'll reassemble it now. Just pop that back on there like that, and then take the bottom piece, thread it back together. Okay, so you've got that there like that. Finger tight, not too tight, because it is glass. So we'll pop the drip tip back in, like that. Okay, so what we'll do now is we will put a coil head into the base. So you grab one of your coils out of the box, like that, and then grab your base, like that, and you can see it's threaded in the middle there. What you do is put your coil head in, and just tighten it up. Not too tight, and that's it. What you then do is grab your juice, give it a good shake first time. Unscrew your cap, and you just want to fill the tank. You don't want to get any down that center post because it'll just leak out the bottom. So you put the needle in between the edge of the center post and the glass, and I'll see if I can show you, and then just squeeze the bottle till it fills like that. There you go, you've got juice in your tank there. What you then do is take your base, that goes into that center post, and then just screw it down. Pretty fine thread, so just be careful when you're doing it. Don't want to cross thread it or you'll wreck it. That's it. All sealed. What you then do is grab your battery and screw your atomizer onto the battery. Okay, now to turn the battery on, main firing button, press it 5 times in quick succession. So, too slow. There we go. You can see it's flashing to say it's on. Screen's on as well now. You probably can't read it. I've got it set on 4.5 volts. These Protank 3s work really well, anywhere between 4 and 5. You can run it lower if you prefer. I wouldn't recommend going higher than 5 though. So what you do then is have a vape. So to vape, get your main firing button, goes blue when you press it to indicate it's feeding power into the coil. Pardon me. So in your mouth, press the firing button and inhale. That's it. Good to go. Now, the process for changing the coil head, you'll probably need to change it. You know when you need to change it because the vapor becomes really weak. If it ever doesn't work, the coil head's the first thing you change. They're the replaceable part that wears out. So yeah, to change the coil head, unscrew the base from the tank again, and then unscrew the coil. Basically the exact opposite of what we did with inserting the coil. Throw it in the bin, get a fresh one, put it in, good to go. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, facebook.com/Vapeboss, AUS, Vapeboss Oz, or you can contact me via email at vapebossozaus@gmail.com. Thank you, bye.